Cold storage and warehousing are critical to preserving the quality, freshness, and safety of temperature-sensitive products across the food, dairy, meat, pharmaceutical, and agricultural industries. Maintaining the right storage conditions while ensuring efficient inventory movement requires precise planning, real-time monitoring, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline cold storage and warehouse operations while improving efficiency, inventory accuracy, and supply chain performance. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From goods receipt, inventory management, and warehouse operations to temperature-controlled storage, order processing, dispatch, logistics, and distribution, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire warehouse lifecycle. Advanced warehouse management enables businesses to optimize storage space, monitor inventory movement, manage batch and lot tracking, and improve stock rotation using FIFO and FEFO methods. Real-time inventory monitoring helps reduce product spoilage